It's the 18th, the 9th, 2011. And after witnessing the footage of the Nevada airshow crash, where a vintage Mustang lost direction or height or whatever and then crashed into the crowd, it got me thinking that it really stood out to me as some sort of ritual, symbology going on there. And today we have a second vintage aircraft crashing at an air show. No doubt it's a Mustang, a World War II fighter plane. And this occurred in Virginia. First one being Nevada. So that's two air crashes, vintage planes, no doubt Mustangs, all within 24 hours of each other. And these planes were used as escort to capture Iwo Jima and the Japanese homeland. Some of the planes have a checkered noseband, black and white stripes around the wing. And I was looking at pictures of these planes, some from the 363 Old Crows Squadron, and the insignia is very interesting. And here you have the five-pointed star, the red and the blue. And all the insignias are all red and blue, or all have the five-pointed star in. So it's very Illuminati. When Hermann Göring saw these planes coming, they crippled the Luftwaffe fighting force. He said, "When I saw Mustangs over Berlin, I knew the gig was up." And these planes were instrumental in Germany losing the air war. So what do these planes, these World War II Mustangs, symbolize for the Illuminati? What is this display for? Two crashes and burns. I think this model of Mustang is called the Galloping Ghost, and it was used in a Warner Brother film, God is My Co-Pilot, and where there was also a crash. But the most interesting thing that stands out to me is that after World War II, the P-51 Mustang served in the air arms of more than 55 nations during wartime. A Mustang cost about $51,000, while many hundreds were sold post-war for the nominal price of just $1 to the American countries that signed the Inter-American Treaty of Reciprocal Assistance. So, they sold post-war for the nominal price of just $1. So, what are we seeing here? Could we be seeing the crash of the dollar? What do you think?